I've created a perfect morning routine for you that is scientifically proven. If you follow this morning routine throughout this year, you will see an increase in your motivation, mental health, attractiveness, and productivity. This will help you become a successful person in life. And don't worry, I won't suggest anything too difficult in this video. You just have to add these 7 simple morning habits to your life. So watch the video without skipping. These habits are very important. Let's begin with habit number 1. Wake up at 6 a.m. Research shows that people who wake up early with discipline tend to have better mental health. That means you stay more positive, optimistic, and satisfied with your life. And the best part, you get extra time in your day. For example, if you wake up at 9 a.m. and I wake up at 6 a.m., I get 3 extra hours every day. That adds up to 1,096 hours in a year. That's 36 extra days, just by waking up a little early. You can use this extra time to do something productive, follow your passion, learn a new skill, or gain knowledge about starting a business. Now, how do you start waking up early? Don't set your alarm directly for 6 a.m. I know you won't be able to get up right away, and even if you do, it won't last more than 2 days. What you should do is wake up just 15 minutes earlier than your usual time. By doing this, within 4 days, you'll be waking up an hour earlier naturally. Second tip, keep your phone a bit far from your bed. This way, when the alarm rings, you'll have to physically get up to turn it off, which will help you wake up properly. Habit number 2, get sunlight exposure. As soon as you wake up, get some sunlight. This is a very powerful habit practiced even by successful people like Cristiano Ronaldo. He says, I come out to have light in my eyes. Morning sunlight, just 2 minutes, to give the information to my brain that it's time to be active. Sunlight sends signals to your brain to enter active mode. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight on your terrace, balcony, or outside is enough. It also boosts testosterone levels. According to Dr. Andrew Huberman, sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm and brings cortisol levels at the right time, putting your body into alert mode. Sunlight contains vitamin D, which is great for your hair and skin, and it also increases your focus levels. Habit number 3, drink lots of water. After sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, your body is completely dehydrated. You might have noticed that your first urine in the morning is yellowish and acidic. That's because your brain, skin, and body need water. But many people start their day with tea or coffee, which can worsen skin issues and increase acidity. I'm not saying to quit tea or coffee, just delay it. Drink it 90 minutes after waking up. First thing in the morning, drink a large glass of water with a pinch of salt and lemon juice. This helps your digestion, gives you more energy, and keeps your skin clear and glowing. A clear, glowing skin makes your face more attractive. So, take care of your skin. Habit number 4, do light exercise. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on expensive treatments, you can simply go to the gym or go for jogging, do yoga, or meditate. All these activities help both your body and mind. Habit number 5, take a cold shower. Cold showers trigger dopamine release in the brain, making your body feel more alert and energetic. They also minimize skin pores, improve testosterone levels, and reduce stress. Even celebrities take cold exposure because they know the benefits. In the beginning, you won't be able to take a direct cold shower. It might even make you sick. So, gradually reduce the water temperature. This helps your body adapt. Also understand, when you complete these tasks one by one, your brain releases dopamine, which motivates you to do the next task. Habit number 6, eat a healthy breakfast. Now it's time for a healthy breakfast. Studies suggest you should never skip breakfast. It boosts brain power, improves mental health, and helps you concentrate better. What you eat for breakfast is very important. Your breakfast should include good amounts of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. But many people eat sugary foods, refined flour, or oily junk food. all of which harm both skin and body. Instead, you can eat eggs, omelette or scrambled, or have oats. There are plenty of healthy options. Habit number 7. Avoid using your phone for at least 90 minutes after waking up. Don't grab your phone as soon as you wake up. Avoid using your phone for at least 90 minutes after breakfast. Yes, you can listen to music during workouts, but avoid scrolling through other apps. We live in an era full of distractions. If you fall for them, your focus and motivation will both be destroyed. After breakfast, work on tasks that are important to you or tasks that usually take up more time. This helps your body get ready for the day and allows you to tackle tough tasks easily and without getting exhausted. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon set to all so you get notified first when I upload new videos. If you want any type of video, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.